डियर चिल्ड्रन, आपको चैन ऑफ लॉफ्टी माउंटेन्स अभी पढ़ा रहा था। चैन ऑफ लॉफ्टी माउंटेन में फेवरेबल सिचुएशन, एक्सेस, ओशियन रूट के बारे में पढ़ा रहा था। ओशियन रूट में क्या है? द ओशियन रूट्स आर ईस्ट एंड साउथ ईस्ट एशिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया टू अफ्रीका एंड यूरोप पास थ्रू द इंडियन ओशियन। Connection: India is connected with Europe, North America and South America through both the routes, the Cape of Good Hope and Suez Canal. Access of American continent: Indians can also reach Canada and the USA through the Strait of Malacca after crossing the Pacific Ocean. Air routes: most of the air routes between Europe, West Asia, Africa, South East Asia, Japan and Australia in the east also pass through India. Contacts with outside world: India's contacts with outside world have continued through the ages. However, her relationship through the land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. Passes to traveler: the various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passes to the ancient travelers. Nomadic: the fertile valleys of India have facilitated the spread of pastoral nomadism. Exchange: the exchange of ideas date back to the ancient time. The ideas of the Upanishad and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra, the India numerals and the decimal system thus could reach various parts of the world. Species: the species, muslin and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. Sculpture and architecture: the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural style of the dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of our country. Next, India and its neighbors. India has an important strategic position in South Asia. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in northwest, China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh east to Iceland, countries Sri Lanka and Maldives lie to the south of India across Indian Ocean. All these countries are part of the Indian subcontinent, and the Sri Lanka are separated by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak Strait and Gulf of Myanmar, while Maldives lie to the south of Lakshadweep. Thus, India has a strong geographical and historical links with its neighbors. नॉलेज बूस्टर में देखें, बिफोर 1947 देयर वर टू टाइप्स ऑफ स्टेट इन इंडिया, द प्रोविंसेस एंड प्रिंसली स्टेट. Provinces were ruled direct by the British official who were appointed by the Viceroy. Princely states were ruled by local hereditary rulers who acknowledged sovereignty of British emperor and got in return local autonomy. Now India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Telangana became the last 29 state of India, now 28. 2nd June 2014 after reorganization of Andhra Pradesh. Now next day, thanks.